Hey guys, so welcome to this video. Guys, firstly, I want to thank you for grabbing the special list of our 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers for just $1. Okay, good job. Okay, so in this video, I would like to first share some of the results I am getting so that you will be motivated and you will get an idea what your results will be when you apply the strategies I'm sharing with you. Okay. So after showing some of my results, I would like to show you where you can get this special list and also the three simple steps that you can take right now to start making money with this specialist, to start making money from these hyper profitable affiliate offers for free. Okay. The free methods I will share with you. Then after sharing all that, then I will teach you two things. The first thing is like a simple trick to make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours. And I will also be sharing with you how the gurus are doing differently to make a ton of money with affiliate marketing. Like the average or the newbie marketers are doing online marketing in a particular way, and the guru marketers are doing it a bit differently. So because of this difference, the gurus are able to make a ton of money and the newbie marketers are struggling. So I will share with you this technique as well. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to learn all this. Okay, so firstly guys, let's get to the first part, that is like where I will be sharing some of my results to you. Okay, so as you can see, this is one of my Gmail account. Like you can see all the different PayPal payment received emails I'm getting. Like it's not like 5 or 6 sales I'm getting. Like you can see, I'm getting a ton of sales here. Okay, so let's open some of them and see uh, how much it is, what it is, etc. Okay, so this is a $9 payment I got from this person. Then this is another $9 sale I got from this person. Okay, let's go and check some other things. Let's look at this one. This is a $1 sale I got from this person. Okay, that guy bought a dollar product from me. Let's look at this one. This person spent $19 with me. Let's look at this one. Okay. Here I made like $3 here. Like this person spent $3 with me here. Then look at this. Okay, look at this. So here I'm making another $19 from this person. Like this person is spending $19 with me to get this product from me. So like guys, as you can see, like I'm getting a ton of sales. Like I'm not getting like one or two sales, like 3 sales or something like that. I'm getting a ton of sales, as you can see. Here's another $19 sale I got from this person for this product. Okay. So the reason I'm showing you this is to like, I want to motivate you. I want you to understand that I am sending visitors in a particular way to my sales funnel, and people are going crazy. Okay, like you can see all these sales, like all these sales here. Okay, let's look at what is going on here. Okay, let's look at this one. Here I'm making another $19 sale from this person. Okay, let's look at this one. Here I'm making another $9 sale. So you got an idea, right? Like I'm getting a ton of sales. So I want to I want to tell you that when I apply the strategies that I will be sharing with you, I am getting sales like this with my sales funnel. Okay, now because of your take action attitude, you grab the specialist, right? And this specialist have a ton of hyper profitable affiliate offers, right? So when you apply the strategies that I'm going to share with you, you will get a ton of affiliate sales like this. So when I apply the strategies that I'm going to share with you to my sales funnel, I am making sales like this. So when you apply the strategies that I will be teaching you, what happens is your email account will also start to look like this. Like just imagine, like one day you wake up, you open your email account and you see sales like this. Okay. So I just want you to understand that you have this specialist, and from today onwards, your email account is going to look like this with affiliate sale, affiliate sale, affiliate sale, etc. Okay. Okay, one more thing, like this is not like I only have sales in this single page. Like in this one page, there is 1 to 50. Okay, so there is total 50 sales here. Okay, but it's not like I have just 50 sales and I'm just showing off the first page. Like here it's written 1 to 50 of many. So let's go to the next page. Okay, so here you can see I have more sales. Like you can see I have a ton of, like some of, like here it's written okay, this guy's credit card or debit card, whichever he used to sign up, failed. So his account was suspended. I'm not going to like try to get money from him again and again. If it doesn't work, I just suspend him. But he can keep the product as well. Okay, like, okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so this person spent $19 from me to get this product. Okay, then the same person spent $39 to get this product. So the first product is this one, $19 one. The $39 one is this one. Then this person spent $29 to get this product from me. Then this person spent $97 to get this product from me. Okay, let's look at more. Okay, let's look at this one. So just imagine, like, if you watch this video till the end, then from tomorrow onwards, your email account can look like this. Okay, this is what is possible. When I apply the strategies that I am using, I'm getting results like this, and I'm going to share it with you so that you can make money from this hyper profitable affiliate offers that you are going to get access now. Okay, so okay, this is another person. So this is Marshall Gray. This person spent $19 to get this product. This person spent $39 to get this product. This person spent $29 to get this product, like that. Okay, so I just want you to understand that I have a ton of sale. Like it's still not like, it's not like I got 100 sales, it's still of many. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, so here, let's see, cleared e-check, payment. Okay, let's look at this. What's going on here? So here I got a $9 sale. Here I got another $9 sale. What is this? Here I got another $9 sale. So you understand, right? Like I'm getting a ton of sales from here. Okay, and I am doing these strategies to promote my sales funnel, and as a result, people are buying, like including you. You bought the specialist from me, right? It's because I'm doing certain things in a certain way. Like this, a lot of people are buying from me. Now I'm going to teach you that same strategy so that you can promote these hyper profitable affiliate offers in the specialist that you grab, and your life will become like this. Okay, okay, so as I have promised, the first part of this training is I'm showing to you the results I am getting. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to, or from where you can get the specialist and the 3 single steps to start making money with the specialist as well. Okay, okay, so you know this page, right? This is the thank you page. You are watching this video in this page, so you can see here it's written this video is unavailable. It's because like I am making this video right now, right? So like after I make this full video, I will post it here. So you're watching this video here, right? So first step is step 1. Watch the below video to learn how to make your first sale in the next 72 hours with the specialist you grab this now. So towards the end of this video, I'll be revealing this one. And also towards the end of this video, I'll be learning and also learn how the gurus are doing differently to make a comfortable full-time income with these hyper profitable affiliate offers, surprise bonus. Okay, so to learn these 2 things, make sure you watch this video till the end. Towards the end of this video, I'll be revealing these 2 simple tricks that you can do. Okay, so in this part, I'll be showing you from where and how to get this specialist that you already paid for. So first step is watch this video till the end. Then step 2, click on the link below and grab the special list of our 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers, which you bought just now. So you can just click here. Okay, so after you signed up for the specialist, you reach this page, right? So from here, you can see here this page. So from here, first step, watch this video. Step 2, you have to click here to go to this page. Okay, here you will get the specialist and also some of the promised and surprise bonuses as well. Okay, so After you click here, you will reach this page, and here what you have to do is step 1. Click on the link below to get instant access to the special list of our 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers. So step 1, just click here. Okay. So when you click here, a PDF file opens like this. Okay. And inside this PDF list, as I promised, the 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers. So this is the special list that you spend $1 to grab just now. Okay. So below are the 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers. So the first one is promote this hyper converting $1 offer and make autopilot commissions for $1 to $9,997 products. So basically you're promoting a $1 offer. So you'll get a ton of sales. And from these sales, you will make commissions for as high as $9,997 products. Okay. So if you want to promote this offer, all I have to do is just click here. Then you will go to another page there. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you can become an affiliate. Okay. This is a special affiliate. This is the second affiliate offer. With this special affiliate offer, you can promote this free trial offer. So insane conversion rate and make up to $2,276.72 in autopilot rebills. So if you want to promote the second offer, then all you have to do is just click here. Another page will come there. Just follow the on-screen instructions and that's it. Okay. So like this, like I promised, I'm sharing with you 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers, right? But guess what? This is the 39th offer. Okay. Promote this $1 trial and make up to $285.50 per $1 sale. Okay. To promote this offer, just click here. But I'm not only going, I'm going to over deliver. Okay. Like in this specialist, you are not only getting 39, but you are getting like, let's go. You are getting like, yeah, you are getting like 258 different hyper profitable affiliate offers. Okay, it's not like the average affiliate offer. Like this is like this special CPL, cost per lead offer will pay you up to $230 per lead. So for just a lead, you can make up to $230. Like I am sharing with you this kind of offer. This special CPL offer will pay you up to $320 per lead. Just for a lead, you'll get $320. So just imagine like how much money you can make with 258 different such hyper profitable affiliate offers. This special CPL offer will pay you up to $756.51 per lead. Okay. Look at this. This affiliate offer makes up to $309.57 per visitor that visits. EPC $309.57. So if you send $2 Google AdWords click, then you spend $2 and you make up to $309.57 back. Okay, so just imagine how profitable these affiliate offers are. So not only the affiliate offers are incredibly profitable, but you are getting 258 so that you can choose whichever affiliate offer you want to promote, and also you can promote all the 258 offers with 258 different campaigns and make a ton of money as well. Okay. I would recommend you to start with this offer because it's the most newbie friendly and easiest way to make money. Okay, especially if you're getting started. The first one. That's why I kept it that as first one. Okay. So now you know from where you can get this special list, right? So when you reach this page, watch this video that you're watching right now till the end. Then here, click on this link. You will reach this page and click on the first link here in this page. Okay. So that is the special list. Now let's talk about some of the bonuses that I'm giving you for free. So step 2, click on the link below to get instant access to the 3 simple steps to start making money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers. Free surprise bonus. So this is like a free surprise bonus I'm giving you with this specialist. So to get this surprise bonus, just click here. Another PDF document will open. So let's move this here. Okay, here you can see another PDF document is opening. So in this bonus class, I'm just teaching you 3 simple steps that you can take, which will show you how to make money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers for free. Okay, so let's go straight to the steps. Step one, if you want to start making money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers, then you need to first choose which hyper profitable affiliate offer you want to promote. Now there are over 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers inside this specialist. Okay, and each of these hyper profitable affiliate offers are extremely profitable. So the first step to start making money with this hyper profitable affiliate offers is to choose which hyper profitable affiliate offer you want to promote. So after watching this video, if you want to start making money with this hyper profitable affiliate offers, then step one is like you have 258 different hyper profitable affiliate offers here, right? So choose any of the affiliate offer. For example, if you want to promote this offer and make up to $1,624.86 on average, then just click here. A new page will come there. Just follow the on-screen instructions and become an affiliate. So first step is choose which affiliate offer from these 258 different affiliate offers that you want to promote and make money. I would recommend the first one, but you can choose any. Okay, that is step one. Then step two, once you have selected an affiliate offer to promote, now you need to start sending visitors to these hyper profitable affiliate offers so that you can start getting commissions from these affiliate offers. So once you become an affiliate, for example, of this offer, you will get an affiliate link. Now to start making money, you need to send visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, so here's a bonus inside this bonus. Okay, so basically here you can learn 3 easy ways to send free visitors to this hyper profitable affiliate offer. So basically you can just click here like this. The new PDF will open. Okay, and here you can learn 3 simple tricks. Okay, for example, let's look at trick 2. Use the Twitter search bar to find tweets which are relevant to the affiliate offer you are promoting and reply to those tweets with your affiliate offer. For example, if you type the keyword "I want to lose weight" in Twitter search bar, then Twitter will show you tweets with the keyword "I want to lose weight." So a person who tweet, "Dude, I want to lose weight," don't you think they are laser targeted to the weight loss affiliate offer you're promoting, right? So when you reply to their tweet with your affiliate offer, since they're interested in losing weight, you will slowly start getting free traffic, free sales, and free commissions. So you can just spend 20 to 30 minutes per day replying to 10 to 30 tweets per day with the offer you are promoting, and you will slowly start building your email list and also sales as well. Okay, so what you can do is, let's say you're promoting, let's say you have first selected this offer, so you clicked here, follow the on-screen instructions, you became an affiliate, you got the affiliate link. Okay, now you go to Twitter, you type maybe "I want to make money somehow," okay, in the Twitter search bar. So then Twitter will show you tweets where people have tweeted something like, "Dude, somehow I want to make money." Okay, so somebody who tweeted that, if you go to that tweet and reply to them, "Okay, dude, if you want to make money, then go to this link and learn how," and you put your affiliate link, then like you are promoting this offer for free to the laser targeted people, right? So if you spend like 20-30 minutes doing this to like 10 to 30 tweets per day, then slowly you will start getting free sales, free commissions, and free traffic. Okay, so there is like 3 strategies which are taught in this PDF. Follow any of the strategies. And step 2 is you just have to send visitors to the affiliate link of the affiliate offer you have selected. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to step 3. Once you start sending free visitors to these hyper profitable affiliate offers, you will start making free sales and free commissions with these affiliate offers. So once you start making free sales, what you need to do is you need to start investing the money you are making with these free traffic methods into paid traffic methods. This way you can rapidly send more visitors into these hyper profitable affiliate offers and super quickly scale your commissions as well. Okay, so like I promised, I have just shared with you the 3 simple steps that you can do right now after watching this entire video to start making money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers. So step 1, choose any of the choose one hyper profitable affiliate offer that you want to promote. For example, this one. This paper call offer will pay you up to $500 per qualified calls. Okay, just click here. A new page will come there. Follow the on-screen instructions. Become an affiliate. You will get the affiliate link after you become an affiliate. Then step 2, you need to start sending visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, once you start sending visitors, you will get some sales. Okay, Then take the money you made with those free sales and invest it on like Google ads or Twitter ads, etc., and scale your income. So you will make like maybe like $50 with free traffic, then turn the $50 into $100 with paid traffic, then turn 100 into 200, then turn the $200 into 300. So like that, you can scale your income as well. Okay. So these are the 3 simple steps that you can take right now to make money with the specialist that you grabbed just now. Okay. All right. So like I promised, I have shared the 3 simple steps as well. Now let's talk about step 3. Okay, so this is another bonus. Like here, I'm sharing with you more free traffic methods that you can do. Okay, so to get that, you can just click here or you can click here. Okay, so this is part 1 of 10 tricks to free traffic, free sales, and free commissions. And this is part 2 of the 10 tricks to free traffic, free sales, and free commissions. Okay, so not only use the strategies like which are revealed here, but use the strategies which are revealed here also. Okay, so basically you just have to choose one affiliate offer, choose any traffic method, like any free traffic method revealed here or here, send visitors, make some money, then take that money, invest it in paid ads, and scale your income. Okay. Okay. Now, like because of your confident take action attitude, you took action and now you have a list of over 39 plus hyper profitable affiliate offers, which is going to make you a lot of money. Now to start making money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers, you can either figure out everything on your own and start making money from these hyper profitable affiliate offers on your own with no step-by-step directions, or you can just click here to get the 10 steps to autopilot commissions worth $1997 for just $1 right now. So if you want to learn this simple trick, okay, it will take you like you just have to do 10 steps and you will start making autopilot commissions. Okay. Yeah. So this program usually costs $1,997, but at the moment you can just try it for just $1. Just apply the 10 steps, make a ton of commissions for $1, and if you love it, you can just continue with the rebuild. Okay. But it will just cost you $1 to try it. So if you want to try it and make a ton of commissions very quickly, get this one. Okay. Now another thing is, do you want to learn how to use the 1, 2, 3 sales funnel and this special trick to quickly go from start to up to $1 million with this hyper profitable affiliate offers? Good. Do you want to get this $5,000 worth video series for just $1 right now? Excellent. Then click on the link below to get lifetime access to this $5,000 worth video series for just $1 right now. So this is like a video series where I'll teach you how to make a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel and this unique trick, mix it together, and you'll be able to go from start to up to $1 million in the next 250 days. Okay, you can try it for just $1. If you're interested, you can click here and get it. Okay, then below you can see some more tricks, not tricks, but some more opportunities. Like if you want to go from start to 10K in the next 30 days, you can get this one for just $1. Or if you want to go from start to 100K in the next 90 days, you can take this one. It will just cost you $1. Or if you want to be a millionaire in 250 days, then you can just click here and get this one for $1. Okay, so these are like basic training programs. Like it will just cost you $1 to try it. If you love it, use it. If you don't love it, just cancel it. That's it. Okay, just $1 to try it. Okay, so if you want to get the specialist, all you have to do is click here, then just click here and you will get the specialist. The 3 steps are: choose which hyper profitable affiliate offer you want to promote, send traffic, and reinvest the money that you make with free traffic into paid traffic and scale your income. That's it. Okay. So first I taught you, or I shared with you some of the results I am getting. Then I taught you from where to get the specialist and the 3 simple steps that you can take to make a ton of money with these hyper profitable affiliate offers. Now, like I promised, I will share with you how to make your first sale in the next 72 hours. Okay. So the 3 steps thing you can do if you want, or if you want to make an affiliate sale instantly on automatic, on autopilot, then I'm going to share with you this simple trick, okay, which will make you your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is, okay, so in the next 72 hours, your email account will look like this. Okay. You'll be getting a ton of sales like this. So for that, what you have to do is like the 3 steps that I shared above. First step, choose which hyper profitable affiliate offer you want to promote. Maybe this one. Promote this $1 offer and you will make up to $295.88. Okay, so choose which hyper profitable affiliate offer you want to promote, become an affiliate, get the affiliate link. Okay, step one. Now, step two is what you have to do is go to Udemy. Okay, look at this URL, udemy.com/solos. Okay, udemy.com/solos. So basically, Udemy is like a marketplace of solo advertising. So in Udemy, there are a lot of solo ad vendors. So basically, you can go to a solo ad vendor and tell to them like, dude, I want to get, okay, I'll show you this, okay? Uh, I'll show you the find sellers. Okay, so once you reach Udemy, you can just come here, click on find sellers. Okay, or wait, I will just open in Ignore. So I made already a trial account here, which I rarely use, but I'll show you. Okay, you can just click here Udemy. Okay, so basically Udemy is like a marketplace of solo ad vendors. So you can approach a solo ad vendor and say, dude, I will give you $50, send 100 visitors to my affiliate link. So like solo ad vendors have a big email list. So they will send an email to their email list with your affiliate link, and they will keep on sending to thousands of people until 100 people click on your link. Okay, so you will get 100 clicks from people who are interested in what you're promoting. And what happens is, like, since you're promoting hyper profitable affiliate offers, what happens is maybe you spend $50, you make $100 back or $200 back, etc. Okay, so the easiest thing, okay, so if you want to make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours, the easiest way, what I would recommend is just go to udemy.com here. If you already have an account, just click login. So when you log in, you will reach this page, home page, like what happened to me, Matthew Sajid. So you will reach this page. Okay, like you will reach this page. But if you don't already have an account, just click on sign up. Okay, you can follow the on-screen instructions, click sign up. Then they will send an email for confirmation to this email where what you kept. Open that email, click on the confirmation link, you are set. Okay, then again go to Udemy. Okay, at that time, after you have clicked on the confirmation email, you will reach confirmation email. You can just close that page, then go to Udemy again. Then you will reach this page. Here, just enter your email. So for example, this email I put. Okay, click here, then enter the password, click on login, and you will reach this page. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is you just have to click on here, find sellers. Okay, so here you can see, okay, for example, Brandon Sheen, he have an email list with thousands of subscribers, and what he's doing is he is charging 95 cents per click. So if you want to get 100 people to go to your affiliate link, then 95 cents into 100 is $95. So you have to pay this guy $95, and he will send 100 visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, this person is charging 59 cents. This person is charging 64 cents. Like, I would recommend you to start with like 40 to 70 cents range. Like 95 cents is good. Like, since you're promoting a hyper profitable affiliate offer, 95 cents is okay. But still, I would recommend you to start with like 40 to 70 cent range. Okay. So step one, after you reach Udemy, is choose an, for example, this person, Damien. Okay. Damien has Damien is charging 54 cents per click. So to send 100 visitors, all you have to pay is $54 to this person. Okay, so step one, choose a solo ad vendor in Udemy in the right price range. Then step two, look at its rating. So here you can see 821 people who bought from this person have done a thumbs up, and only 2 people have done a thumbs down. Okay, whereas this person have 3,234 people who bought have given thumbs up, and nobody have given thumbs down. So basically we can understand that this person's traffic is much better than this person, but the price is better. Okay, so you can either go for this or this. Well, I would go for this one. Okay, so I would recommend you to choose this person because of his rating. So first, choose the solo ad vendors who are on your right price target. Then after that, look at the rating and see which person is better. So this person and this person both are in the price range. But when we look at the rating, this person have no bad reviews and over 3,000 positive reviews. Okay, so choose this one. Then this is like Udemy is saying to us, 49% of the people who bought from this person got sale. Okay, whereas this person have 42%. So what that means is like when 2 people buy from this person, at least one is getting a sale. So that means this person's visitors are good, high quality. Okay, so let's choose this person. So we can see he's online. So all you have to do is just click somewhere here, anywhere here. So I clicked here. So when you click here, you go to this person's page. Then here what you have to do is to make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours, go for a 100 click campaign. So 100 into 64 cents is $64. So you have to spend $64. Okay. Then you don't have to do anything here. What you have to do is click on only link, put add text also. Then what you have to do is make an email solo ad copy. So what that is like, you are making the email that this person is going to email to his list. So this person have a big list, he will send the email, right? So if you only put the link here, what happens is you are giving your affiliate link here, but he is the one who is making the solo ad copy. And sometimes the solo ad copy can be like, this is very interesting, this is amazing, click on the link below to learn what this is. So it's just curiosity to get maximum people to click. And the people who click because of curiosity are less converting. But if you click here, then click on add text, what you can do is like, let's say you're promoting a make money online offer. So what you can do is maybe you can do like, are you interested in making money from the internet? A question mark. So from here we can understand that this is the email subject line. So people who see this subject line and open the email are people who are interested in making money from the internet. Okay, then you can make for example, let's say this is about SEO. Okay, so we can say what if you can work 90 minutes per day and rank a YouTube video on the first page of Google. What if you can promote affiliate offers using this YouTube video and make money for free? So here what happens is like, people are not going to click on the link just out of curiosity, but they are understanding that they have to do 90 minutes of work. It's about SEO, it's about ranking YouTube video on the first page of Google. You're promoting affiliate offers using YouTube videos. So they're getting a lot of information, and you can fill people information. And after reading everything, after people understanding that they have to work for 90 minutes, if people decide to click on your affiliate link, for example, it's like www.pikachu.com. Okay, so let's say this is your affiliate link. So if after reading your entire solo ad copy, if people click, they are better quality visitors. Okay, so when you run the solo ad campaign, make sure from only link you make it to ad text, make a relevant subject line, make a relevant ad copy, and at the end put your link. Okay, then after that what you have to do is just click here. The payment method comes PayPal or card. Follow the on-screen instructions, make the $67 payment. And if this person doesn't send visitors, then you can get 100% refund from not this person, but from Udemy. What Udemy does is when you pay the $67, this money is kept in Udemy. And only after you say this person have sent the visitors, Udemy will send the money to this solo ad vendor. So if he doesn't send you any visitors, you will get 100% of your money back, or you can run another campaign. Okay. But at the same time, like Udemy is tracking. Okay. Like this person can't just send visitors to you off the bat. Like Udemy will ask him to make a particular short link using Udemy. And through this link, Udemy is checking if this person is going to send you bot clicks. Okay. So if it doesn't work, or if he's trying to cheat you, you will get the money back. And if it's bot, Udemy will catch, and Udemy will not charge you for those clicks. So you're basically safe by running Udemy campaign. Okay. Then one more thing, we can look at some of the reviews. So this person, 2nd September 2021, went back this person, right? Jason Thompson. Okay. We can look at some of the reviews people are getting. It's a safe website. Okay. 100 click, like $67. Let's go here. His email list is mainly from here: USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand. Okay. Like 96% of his traffic comes from there. Let's look at some. Okay. Here you can see 100. This person bought a 100 click campaign on 1st September 2021. 7 bonus clicks, 143 impressions, 67 conversions, 46.85%. 0 sales after day 1 follow up in place. This person didn't get any sales, but he got 46.85% conversion. Okay, now you can see no sales, but here you can see this person got sale, this person got sale, this person got sale. You can see, thank you, Jason. I got a few sales. I have to update some details, and I will be glad if we continue to work together. This person got sales. So you got an idea, right? Like all this person are actively buying from this person, from this guy. Okay. So if you want to make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours, the easiest way, all you have to do is first choose which affiliate offer you want to promote, get the affiliate link, then go to udemy.com, find a solo ad vendor who is in the right price range, that is between 40 cents to 70 cents, who have a good rating. Okay. And then run a 100 click campaign with this person, and in 72 hours you will make a first sale. Okay. Now here's the thing. Okay. This is like, this will cost you $67, but let's say you're promoting, okay, this offer. Okay, let's say you're promoting this offer. So for just one call, that is one qualified call, you will make $825. So from 100 clicks, if you get one qualified call, then what that means is you spend $67, but you made $825. From 100 click, if you get two qualified calls, then that means like, I think, yeah, $1,650 you will get from just $67. Okay. So if this person doesn't send you traffic, you will get this money back, or you can spend this money on another solo ad vendor. But if he sends, like, we can understand he have a good rating, so he is going to send. So when he sends, you can make like $1,650, up to $1,650 with just a basic $67 payment. Okay, so if you want to make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours, go to Udemy, find a reputed solo ad vendor who is in the right price range, run a 100 click campaign. So when you run, make this into this, put a relevant subject line copy, put an ad copy of at least 200 to 300 words. Okay, at least 200 to 300 words. At the end, put the link. Link goes to your affiliate offer. You make money, done. Okay, so once you make money, your email account, like in 72 hours, your email account can look like this. This is the way I would recommend if you are serious about making money, because once you make like $1,600, that's the start. Okay, you will just keep on investing, because if you can make even $825 from just $67 investment, then you will just, you will do it tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day, like that you will keep on doing, right? Okay, so I recommend you to take the first step and try this method. Or if you want to play it safe, you can do the 3 steps that I told you, where you choose the affiliate offer, you send free traffic, then you reinvest the money you make with the free traffic into paid traffic. Okay, you can run Google Ads, or you can even come to Udemy, like let's say you made $100 with free traffic, then take that $100, come to Udemy and run solo ad campaigns here. Okay. All right. Then I also promised that I will share with you this way that gurus are doing differently to take your income to the next level. So here's how this tactic works. So here you have 258 different hyper profitable affiliate offers, right? So I will just quickly tell you the strategy. Okay, the strategy is like this. Instead of, let's say you choose this affiliate offer, click here, follow the on-screen instructions, become an affiliate, get the affiliate link, and start sending visitors to this offer. What the gurus are doing is gurus will make a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. Okay. And this sales funnel is made in such a way that when you spend $1 in paid ad, you make up to $2 back. Okay. Like you will understand, like this is my sales funnel. I'm making all these sales from my sales funnel. Okay. And I'm making up to $2 for every $1 I spend on paid ads. Then what the gurus does is, they, after making a sales funnel like this, they will send the visitors to the sales funnel so that they can turn $1 they spend on paid ads to up to $2, and they can also build an email list. Okay. So after building this email list, what happens is, instead of promoting just one hyper profitable affiliate offer, they will start from the beginning. Okay. So first week, they will send 5 to 7 different emails. Let's say 5 emails to promote this offer. Second week, they will send 5 emails to promote this offer. Third week, they will send 5 emails to promote this offer. Like this, they will set up 258 week long email follow-up sequence to promote these 258 insanely profitable affiliate offers. So let's say they spend $1,000 in paid ads. So let's say they spend $100 in paid ads. Okay. They send these visitors not to the affiliate offer, but to their landing page of their 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. They build the email list, and because the sales funnel is set up in a particular way, they'll be able to turn the $100 they spend on paid ads to up to $200. Okay. They build an email list, and to this email list for 258 weeks, they will promote these 258 different hyper profitable affiliate offers, and they will be able to make a ton of money. Okay, just imagine if you only promote, let's say this promote this free plus shipping offer and make up to $264.40 in the back end on autopilot, then you will make a ton of money. But if you promote along with that offer, let's say this offer as well, this special CPA offer will pay you up to $5,200 per CPA. And along with that offer, they also promote this special CPA offer will pay you up to $700 per CPA. So they just spend $100 once, and for the next 258 days, they are making an insane amount of money with these kind of incredible offers. Okay, so this is how they are doing differently. Like an average marketer will just choose a one affiliate offer, send visitors to that affiliate offer and make money. But guru marketers will make a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, not only break even, but make up to $2 for every $1 they spend on paid ads, build an email list, and to that email list, they will promote all the affiliate offers in a timely and orderly manner. Okay, so this is why the big gurus are able to afford Ferraris and travel in private jets, etc. This is why they are able to like live the life they dream, because they are doing it differently. Okay, so so if you also want to live like them, what you have to do is you have to make a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel like this, which is able to turn every $1 you spend on paid ads to $2. So if you spend $100 and make $200 back, then like, won't you go to the bank, take a $10,000 loan, invest this $10,000 in paid ads, turn it into $20,000, pay the $10,000 debt back, then invest this $10,000 again, make 20, then turn it into 40, turn it into 80, At the same time, building a huge email list, and your email autoresponder system will make money from each subscriber that joins your email list for 258 weeks. Not by promoting average affiliate offer, but affiliate offers like affiliate offers like this one. Okay, where this special CPL, cost per lead offer, which will pay you up to $756.51 per lead. For just a lead, you will make $756.51. So they'll spend a ton of money in paid ads, make turn $1, every $1 they spend on paid ads, $2. They will build a huge email list for 258 days, not 258 days, but for 258 weeks. Their email autoresponder system will automatically promote such hyper profitable affiliate offers. So if you want to have the life you dream of with the freedom of free spending money, unlimited time, and the freedom to live anywhere in the world, do this strategy. And guess what? Okay, it's going to get incredible. This is the page you're watching this video right now, right? So if you scroll down, step 3, there is another bonus. Step 4, if you want, you can get these products from me. Okay, there are more products. Recommendation 1, recommendation 2, recommendation 3. Then recommendation 4 is, you see the sales funnel where I'm making a ton of money, right? Like I'm making up to $2 for every $1 I spend on paid ads by promoting this offer. Even you bought the specialist from me through this insanely profitable 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. Okay. So my recommendation 4 is, I will give you this very same 1, 2, 3 sales funnel worth $100,000 for just $1 right now, safely through PayPal buyer protection. Okay. So if you click here, what's going to happen is, you will get this insanely profitable sales funnel that I have made, split tested, tweaked, edited. And now it's making me up to $2 for every $1 I spend on paid ads. You will get this very same 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. Okay. You can send visitors. You can go to Udemy, run first a 100-click campaign for the $67, or like you can even run 20. Like this vendor starts at 100 clicks, but there are some vendors who will start at like 25 clicks, 50 clicks, etc. So you can go to Udemy, run traffic to the landing page of this sales funnel, this $100,000 worth sales funnel, build an email list, promote all the affiliate offers through email follow-up sequence. Okay. And also, like, you spend 67, you make 134 back, but in the next 258 weeks, you maybe make like $5,000, $10,000, etc. Okay. And if you want to get this insanely life-changing 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, just click here, follow the on-screen instructions. And for just $1 right now, you can get this 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. If you love it, if you are just amazed by how much money you're making with this 1, 2, 3 sales funnel like this, okay, then all you have to do is, don't do anything. Like you can just keep on using this 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. I'll just charge you $29 per week. Maybe the sales funnel is making you $2,000 per week. I will just charge you $29 per week until you cancel, and you can just email me or cancel directly from PayPal. Okay, so since you're going to take action through PayPal, you're protected. Okay, so if you also want to be like the gurus and do this marketing differently, then all you have to do is, you're watching this video here, right? So scroll to the bottom of the page, look at recommendation 4, just click here, then this page will come. Here I'm here. Yeah, this page here, you'll open PayPal, just follow the on-screen instructions, and for just $1 right now, you can get this insanely profitable, life-changing 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, which will make it $2 for every $1 you spend on paid ads. You will build an email list, and for the next 258 weeks, you can make money from all these offers. Okay. Like you can promote this offer week 1, you can promote this offer week 2, you can promote this offer week 3. So maybe like you spent $67 today, then you make maybe $134 in the next 72 hours, and in the next 258 weeks, maybe you make like $10,000, up to $10,000. with just a single 100-click campaign, because for 258 weeks, you'll be promoting not average offers, but such hyper profitable affiliate offers. Okay. So you can either do the first 3 steps that I taught you, where you choose an affiliate offer, then free traffic, make some money, invest the money that you make with free traffic into paid traffic and scale your income. Or you can use the trick that I taught you, which is called make your first affiliate sale in the next 72 hours, where you go to Udemy, choose a solo adventure at the right price range with the right ratings, run a 100-click or 50-click campaign to to your affiliate link and make your first sale in the next 72 hours. Or if you want to be like the gurus, and if you want to have the life that you dream of, with the freedom of free spending money, unlimited time, and the freedom to live anywhere in the world, then do like gurus. What you do is make a 1-2-3 sales funnel, 1-2-3 sales funnel, which will make you up to $2 for every $1 you spend on paid ads. Okay. Then not only turn every $1 you spend on paid ads to $2, but you'll also build an email list. Into this email list, for the next 258 weeks, promote one affiliate offer per week for the next 258 weeks, and turn maybe the $67 you spend on paid ads to maybe like $5,000, $10,000 in the next 258 weeks. Okay. So if you start spending like $10,000 a month and making back $20,000 in profit, then just imagine that 258 week money, how much it will be. If you can make like $10,000 with just a $67 investment, then when you invest $10,000, just imagine that 258 income, how much it will be. Okay. Or if you want the shortcut, all you have to do is this page that you're watching this video right now, just go to the bottom, then in recommendation 4, just click here, get this $100,000 worth fully done for you 1-2-3 sales funnel for just $1 right now. You'll get the sales funnel, follow the on-screen instructions. Then once you have done, it will take you maybe 25 minutes to set it up, like it's like step by step. So in the next page, after you take action here, you will understand what you have to do. Like it's like 25-minute work, everything is free. Like after you take the $1 payment, just take 25-minute setup work. Okay. Then come to Udemy, run a basic 100-click campaign, turn every $1 you spend on paid ads to up to $2, build an email list, and turn the $67 investment into up to $10,000 by promoting all these offers. Okay. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for taking the time to go through this entire video. If you have any questions or any doubts about anything, just email me anytime and I will help you. Guys, this is the result I am getting. And if you follow the strategies that I taught you, then you will also get this result. In fact, you can get this exact same 1-2-3 sales funnel, which I used to make all these sales, if you take action here. Okay. So thank you for your time. Take care.